Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Plugin, and today we are going to see a DIY face mask for day 6, and I'm really very excited to share this particular DIY because I have been sharing recently on my stories a lot that I am suffering from a lot of pimples and acne marks. So I have made this DIY keeping that in mind, and I have used it a few times, and it's really very good for me and my skin type. So I have just thought why not to share this DIY with you all as well. So stay tuned till the end of the video to know more about this particular DIY. And we just need two simple ingredients from our home. You don't need to buy anything or anything like that. And let's see what two ingredients do I have with me today for you all. So the very first ingredient which I have with me is curd. So I am taking this ready-made curd. You can take any curd. Curd is really very good for people who has acne prone skin because curd has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties inside it, and curd is something which minimizes the size of your pimple as well, and it gives you a very fresh looking skin. If you have tan issue, curd is also going to help you with that. It's going to bring glow on your skin, and if you have uneven texture, it's going to help you with that. So curd is something which has lots of benefits for your skincare, so we are using this today. And the second ingredient is oats powder. So I have taken oats. I have grinded it well in the mixture and made powder out of it. It's a very fine powder, like easy to blend it and make it in a powder. You can make it in small batches also, and if you want to use it on regular basis, you can even make powder at once, and you can keep it aside and you can use whenever you require it. And yes, one more thing, that you need to take plain white oats. You don't need to take any masala oats or anything like that, otherwise it's going to like harm your skin instead of improving your skin. So keep in mind that you use plain oats, white oats only. And oats have zinc inside it. Zinc is something which is gonna help you with your pimples and acne. Oats work amazingly for pimple prone skin. Because of zinc, it has anti-inflammation properties, because of which it stops the spread of pimples. Because once you get one pimple or two pimple, you will be seeing in the same area, you will be getting pimple again and again, and your pimple will increase if you will not take proper care of your pimples. So oats is something which is going to help you with that skin problem a lot. So this is the oats. I have taken about 1 full tablespoon of oats, and now we are going to mix 1 spoon of curd into the oats. Here I am mixing 1 tablespoon of curd inside it. We are going to mix it thoroughly, and we have to apply it on our skin. So you have to keep it on your skin for about at least 15 to 20 minutes, or after 15 to 20, and you have to apply all these DIY masks in your clean face. You don't your skin should not have any kind of a makeup. Your skin should be very clean. It should not have any kind of moisturizers or anything on your skin, okay? Then only these DIY are going to work. If you want, you can even like mix 1 or 2 drops of tea tree oil inside this particular mask, but right now I'm not using it, okay? But I'm just using this oats and curds. And after this, you can wash your face with lukewarm water, and after washing your face, you will be feeling that your skin will be bit moisturized. So let's get started and apply it on our skin. Guys, this is how my skin looks after applying this mask, and if I'll apply this mask on regular basis, all the pimple marks and pimples will get reduced. So I'll suggest you same. If you have pimple problems like me, or active pimples, or if you have pimple marks on your skin, you should try this mask. This is really gonna help you out. So guys, you have already seen the DIY for today. This DIY was specially meant for people who have pimple acne prone skin, and otherwise this is something which can be applied by anyone. You will be seeing a good improvement in the texture of your skin. Otherwise but if you have pimple related issue, this DIY is going to work wonders for your skin. So I hope that you have liked this video. If you have, don't forget to like, share and comment on my videos. And that's it for today's video. We will meet in our next video. Bye bye, take care.